Now I thought today I would make up some sausage and egg muffins. These are really good for breakfast, or you can have them as a quick lunch, or any time you fancy a tasty snack. Really simple to do, so give them a go. So for making these sausage and egg muffins, I'm just going to go through the ingredients I'm going to use. Now for the sausages, I'm going to use 5 good sized sausages that I got from the butchers. Now these ones are Cumberland sausages, but you could obviously choose your favourite sausage that you like to eat. Now what I'm going to do is with a sharp knife, just cut the skin back, and with the sausage meat, we're just going to turn those into pâtés, like you would like if you was making up burgers. Obviously making whatever size you want, thickness you like, and what we're going to do is to grill those. Now just when they're sort of nearly done, sort of nearly cooked, I'm just going to add a little bit of cheese. Now you could use, like, you know, your sort of strips of cheese that come out the packet. This one I decided to cut off me chunky bit of, you know, cheese here. This is a really nice cheese. It's a cheddar cheese, but it's an extra mature cheddar, so it's got quite a punchy flavour. Really nice. But obviously use, again, whatever cheese is your favourite one. I've got myself 3 eggs. We'll see how we go. 2 or 3 muffins going to make, but 3 large eggs, so 1 egg for each muffin. And then of course we've got the muffins. Now you can buy different muffins. I mean, there's a packet of muffins there. That's the typical one that probably most people, you know, get hold of. This one, I like these ones, and I thought I'd buy these today, but they're slightly bigger, and also they've got really nice flavour. So I'm going to cut those in half, just lightly toast them, put a little bit of butter on, and then we assemble these beautiful muffins. So nice simple ingredients, great little snack. So with the sausages, I'm just going to remove the skins. Now the way to do that, obviously with sharp knives, always be careful, is you can just cut the skin all the way along like that, and then you can peel out the sausage meat. Just for now, pop that in a bowl. So I'll do that with all the rest. So now what I'm going to do is make these into patties. So you could just kind of grab them all together. Let's have a look at the size of these. You just sort of squash them together really to make your patties. I mean, you could roll them out if you want to make them really neat, but I'm going to make them a good size so that they look nice in the muffins. That'll do us. Just tidy it up a little bit. Lovely. And there we go. There's the sausage pâtés all ready to be grilled. I'm going to pop that in there, and I'm going to make up another one, so we'll have 2. And I might use another sausage to make a 3rd one later on, but I'm just going to do 2 for now. Now with the sausage pâtés, I've got them both ready to go, so I'm going to cook mine under the grill. Now I'm going to use a medium heat grill, and in total I'm probably going to cook mine for about 15 minutes because they are quite thick pâtés. If yours is a bit thinner, obviously you could cook a little bit less. Now halfway through the 15-minute cook time, I'm going to flip mine over because you want to cook them on both sides. The important thing is make sure the juices run clear. Now towards the end, in the last couple of minutes, we're going to add a little bit of cheese onto the pâtés if you're going to use the cheese, and also you're going to need to cook the fried egg so it all comes together, and then we can serve up this delicious sausage egg muffin. Now for cooking the egg, I've got myself a non-stick frying pan, and I've got some olive oil in there. Now I'm going to switch the heat on, roughly about medium heat. Once it's come up to temperature, we're going to crack the eggs in there. They're only going to take a couple of minutes or so, and then we can serve it all up. Now I've also got my toaster, which you can't quite see, but I'm just going to switch my toaster on for the muffins, the halves of the muffins. But as I say, you could do it under the grill. So let those pop, they'll be ready. And as soon as this come up to heat, we're going to crack the eggs in there, get them cooking. That's 1. 2. Now what I like to do with my eggs, I know it seems there's a lot of oil in there, but there's a reason for it. Just put some salt on there. That's the toaster just popping, so the muffins are done. So what I tend to do is flick the oil over the top, and it saves you messing around having to turn the eggs over. I mean, obviously you do your eggs how you like to do them, but this one works for me. And we just keep doing that until we get the eggs just how we want. Switch them off. just going to pop them on a plate. Ooh. Try and leave some of the oil behind, even though it's olive oil. Not too much oil. Now my eggs are just a little bit runny, I like. So be careful when you're eating them. Lovely. 2 beautiful eggs. Right, let's take the muffins over with me. See, I've got those just nice and lightly toasted. We need to put a little bit of butter on the muffins. Make sure everything's switched off. Go and get the sort of sausage pâtés out and let's make these beautiful muffins. So I've just taken my pâtés out of the oven, under the grill. And first of all, I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on both sides of these. Like that. If you want to make them a bit healthier, you could leave the butter out, but butter and muffins go together so well. Now, I've got me pâté, so just gonna pop that on there like that. Oh, look at that melted cheese, absolutely delish. Now I've got my egg, and if you're worried about the oil, you can always go round with a tissue if you want, but it's only olive oil, it won't kill you. But let me just put one of those eggs on top. Ooh, looking good. And then this finally goes over there. Look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. Let me try that and see how it tastes. Obviously, if you wanted to put any sauce in there, your choice, but I'm just going to go in and taste that. Let's see how it is. Oh. That is absolutely delish. To be honest with you, I think I'd prefer this one, the homemade one, to the one you get at McDonald's. This is absolutely gorgeous, because the good thing is you can get the sausage you like, cook the egg how you like, and it's just wonderful. Go and make these. They're a really good snack, great for breakfast or any time. If you've got your friends round, you fancy the munchies, go and make a delicious sausage muffin. Oh, look at that. Let me just have one more bite. Right, there's the egg. Just squeeze that. Beautiful. Absolutely. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. The Original Naked Chef.